Magandang buhay sa lahat, Liza Soberano, sobrang nakakabilib. Hope interview, Liza Soberano. Pag napanood nyo to guys, ang interview ni Hope, kay Liza Soberano, sa advertisements ng Maya, is my everything. Tiyak na mapapawaw kayo, sa galing ni Hope. As in supernatural. Bongga ang ads ng Maya, ang galing-galing ni Hope, at nakasama niya pa dito, ang magaling din na actress, na si Miss Dolly De Leon. Tuldok, mas lalong angat, ang Maya. At mas lalong napag-uusapan. Sa galing, ng dalawang bigating actress, na nagsama sa, Maya advertisements.
All the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she didn't feel the same about us, you know.